Hello success people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how we can change the DNS settings on iPhone. So here it's so simple and easy. You just need to go open your settings, and then you just need to scrolling down until you got this Wi-Fi options, and then you just tap into this site. The next thing you need to do is just go find the Wi-Fi ID or the Wi-Fi information that is available, and then you just need to tap into the I options there, and that will bring you into these configurations and DNS. Now you can just go tap into this configure DNS from the automatic here and change it into the manual. Now you can just add the new server, and then you can add the new DNS server that you got. That's so simple. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, as well as turn on the notifications button to get more tutorial about your iPhone or any application that you have for your device. So that's for today. Thank you and goodbye.